The classic masterpiece, Carmina Burana, tells the history of love and fortune, and is often called a morality play. More than 60 voices will combine with contemporary dancers to present this masterpiece, and today one of the soloists is here with a medley from Carmina Burana in Sounds of the Suncoast. Take it away.
Temperat, purus et subtilis, nova mundo reserat, facies aprilis, amorem properat animus erilis, et iocundis imperat Deus puerilis. Estuans interius ira vehementi, in amaritudine loquam eventi, factus emeteria cinis elementi, similis sum folio tequor ludum venti, cuminum proprium virus sapienti, supra patrum ponere sedem fundamenti, stultus ego compara al fluvio labenti, sube nonem tramite nunquam permanenti. Sumabas Colcaniensis. Dies nox et omnia, miquis sunt contraria, virginum colloquia. Suspirir plime fae temer circa mea pectora volta sunt suspiria dei tua pulcritudine que me ledunt sincera.
That you've got to see. You can see Carmina Burana in motion on Saturday, February 3rd. Go to the Choral Artists website for ticket information. Next, get your calendars ready. Cliff has some don't miss February social events.